Let's go ahead and get our chart set up on our TradeLocker. So first I'm going to show you how to create your demo account on Pips Market. When you come in, you should see two squares, one that says demo, one that says live account here. So click on the one that says demo, and then so you'll click on demo, and then you'll see this Pips Raw demo. You're going to click on create an account, follow the prompts to create the account. Then it's going to ask you to deposit into your demo account. And so from there, you're going to deposit whatever amount that you purchase for your trading challenge. So if you did a $10,000 account, purchase 10,000 or deposit 10,000. If you did a 25,000 or 100,000 or whatever it may be, that's the amount that you want to deposit into your demo account. Once you've created that account, you'll get an email that looks like this. And so it'll say new Pips Raw demo TradeLocker account created. This is the information that we're going to need to log into TradeLocker. So from here, we're going to go to demo.tradelocker.com, and it'll bring us to this page. And then we're going to take the email and the password from that. So your email, the password, and then you're going to need the server. Then put in Pips, and then log in. So that's how you log in on your Pips Market account. So we're going to log out of here, and then I'm going to show you how to log in on your TradeX Mastery account. So you would just come to where you see your accounts, you click on direct login, and that will log you into your challenge account. So now that we're logged in, I'm going to show you all of the indicators that you'll need on these charts. So first, you can go here to the times here, and I'm gonna uncheck them just so you can see how it'll look. So it'll look like this, and you can go here, and we're going to do 1 minute. Click the star next to it, the favorite. We're gonna do 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and an hour. And then I also like to do 1 day too. Then on the candles here, you'll click on candles, and then you'll also click on Hikinashi and click the favorites between the two. So next, we're going to go and find our pair. So I mostly trade gold and sometimes silver. And so I'm going to show you how to search for the pair. So you'll search for like XAU USD is gold. And so I'm going to unfavorite it just so you can see how it looks. It'll look like this, and then you'll click on add to favorite. So whatever pair, there'll be some pairs listed in the Pip Juice training that you'll trade during the different sessions. And so same thing for silver, we'll right click it and go and add to favorites. And so then whenever we have our charts, we can just click on the favorite button here, and it'll have our favorite pairs up. And so then when we're going to take a trade, we'll just click on whichever one that we're trying to take a trade on. All right, so next we're going to click on indicators, and then we're going to search for SAR, and then we're going to star parabolic SAR, and then we'll click on it to add it to the chart. So first thing we're going to do is go and right click on it, and we'll go to settings, and then we'll change this to white. And then change this to circles, and then click OK. Next, we're going to go to Super Trend. You'll search Super Trend, click the star, and then click on Super Trend. And we'll leave that one as is. Next, we'll search for fractals, and we'll click on Williams fractal and favorite it. Oops, I had it replaced. Hold on.
Man. Yeah, I want to type it.
And next we'll click on indicators again. And we'll click on zigzag and favorite that one too. And then finally we'll click on MACD. And that'll show up there. So then on the MACD, we're gonna right click on one of the lines here, and then we're gonna change these colors. So we're gonna change this one to green, and then we'll change this one to red, and then we'll keep it aligned. I like to change the thickness. And I like to change these to the same green and red. Click OK. Then we'll right click in the open space. We'll go to settings. Oh, here on grid lines, we'll click black and black. And then click OK. And so now our charts are completely set up, and we'll learn more about this. We'll actually have a training about this in a separate video. So now our charts are set up. In the next video, we'll go over tap to trade. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.